how auto repair shops scam you and how to outsmart these morons. 13. Alright, let's talk about auto repair shops. The only place on earth where you show up for a simple oil change and somehow leave financially ruined, emotionally drained, and seriously considering a bicycle. You ever walk in, ask for a basic service, and 5 minutes later, the mechanic walks out shaking his head like your car is terminally ill. Suddenly you're getting hit with a $4,000 list of urgent repairs, half of which sound like made-up medical conditions. Sir, your tie rods are looser than a 500,000-mile taxi cab. Your brake pads are paper thin. Your camshaft bearings are suffering from irreversible male pattern baldness. And your catalytic converter, it's clinically depressed. We recommend therapy, but a replacement will run you about $2,500. And God help you if you don't know anything about cars, because these guys will talk to you like you're a toddler who just ate a crayon. Well, today we're exposing the 5 biggest scams auto repair shops pull and how to shut them down so you don't end up selling a kidney to pay for mystery repairs.
My check engine light came on. Can you check it out?
Of course. That'll be $180 for diagnostics.
That took 10 seconds.
Yeah, but you're paying for my expertise.
You mean to tell me I could have done that in my driveway, in my pajamas, while eating a sandwich? Shops love to charge a diagnostic fee for something that literally takes less time than it does to take a piss. And let me tell you, most of these guys aren't even diagnosing shit. They just read the code, look at you like a doctor giving bad news, and hand you a bill. Buy an OBD scanner. They're cheap, easy, and tell you what's wrong before a shop even touches your car. Ask if the diagnostic fee goes toward repairs. Some places will apply it to the total bill. Others just take your money and run. If they refuse to tell you the code or what it means, that's a huge red flag.
All right, ma'am, we changed your oil. But while we were under there, we noticed your control arms are looser than a Tinder date. Your brake pads are thinner than a gas station napkin. And your engine mounts might as well be held together with chewing gum and prayers.
So, how much to fix it all?
$3,600, but don't worry, we offer convenient financing.
These guys act like they just risked their lives performing open heart surgery on your car when all they did was change the oil and take a peek underneath. Shops love this move because the moment they say the words safety issue, most people panic faster than a dude who just saw his girl scrolling through his phone. How to avoid this scam? Always ask for a written estimate. If they start getting defensive, congratulations. You just spotted a scammer in the wild. Google the issue. If every forum says it's a maybe fix in 5 years problem, the shop is just fear-mongering you into debt. Get a second opinion. If one shop says your car is fine and another says you need $5,000 in repairs immediately, you know who's lying?
Wait, $200 for an air filter? That same filter is $30 online.
Oh yeah, because I'm sure that oil filter was handcrafted by a team of German monks. Listen, mechanics love to charge absurd markups on parts. It's how they make extra money without actually doing extra work. Half the time, they're buying the same aftermarket parts you could get yourself, but they slap on a 300% markup and call it a day. How to avoid this scam? Ask if you can bring your own parts. Some shops say no because it kills their profit, but honest ones won't care. Compare prices online before agreeing to anything. If they tell you aftermarket parts will destroy your car, ask them why dealerships use them all the time. So there you have it. The biggest scams repair shops pull to rob you blind. Next time a mechanic tells you your car needs $5,000 in repairs, hit them with, yeah, and I need a yacht, but we both know that ain't happening. If you've ever been scammed, drop your horror story in the comments. And if you know an honest mechanic, shout them out, because they're basically a myth at this point. Hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS car content, and remember, if a mechanic says your blinker fluid is low, just leave.